Hello, Kumars. Gawa tayo ng cucumber salad. So, may pino. Then, red onion. We got vinegar. Yung pepper. Ayan. Hinahangin ang pepper. Wala. And salt. A little bit of sugar. And then dill. You can use fresh or optional. And then let's toss it. Cucumber. Achara.